Well, Tricia, it looks like you've had a tough day out in the garden, even broken out the chair, and probably just in time. I think we're about to get wet.
Oh, we are. And you know, at the end of the day, a gardener, the last thing they think about is cleaning their tools, but it's a really important task.
Now, why is it so important? I know you spend a lot of money on tools, so naturally you want to protect your investment, but what are some other reasons?
Well, some people just spray it off, but sometimes, well, most of the time, that's just not enough, because did you know that you can spread disease by your tools too?
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, you've got to get all of that dirt off there and clean the tool.
Okay.
You spend a lot of money on tools, so a way I find so that they don't end up looking like this, rusty and almost useless,
Right.
is I like to spray them with a little bit of lubricant.
Okay.
And if you don't have lubricant, you might use some oil, oil like a motor oil.
I see.
And then go across the edge, the whole face of your trowel or your shovel, any of your tools, even loppers, this would work well for them.
Okay, all right, and that probably knocks off a little bit of the rust and then applies a coat of lubricant over it to kind of prevent that rust.
Exactly, it does apply a little bit of a coat on them. So then I have an additional tip for you too. Especially tools that have a nice sharp edge like this, if you prepare a bucket with some sand and a little bit of that motor oil, mixing it together so that it turns just a little bit of a different color, you can stick those tools in there and it will help those edges stay nice and sharp and all of the surface stay nice and dry.
Good.